Alright, here is an in-depth look at our dial caliper. We have our thumb slide. We're going to have our locking screw at the top, and we have our face, and 0.001, so 1,000th, is our graduation. You're going to look at your slide bar and see what's going on down your slide bar. To use different types of measurement, you're going to have your inside of your jaws, so that's a outside measurement, so OD. Then you have these jaws that are going to give you the inside measurement. You're going to have the step depth, which is indicated right here, so you use this. Then you also have at the very end of the dial caliper a depth gauge, so that's going to slide out the back and you're going to be able to get depths there. So if we're looking at the face, we always want to center this, that way it's zeroed in. We want our slide to be semi-tight, that way we can get good measurements, very precise measurements. Let's say we have a gear and we want to know the diameter of the gear. So we're going to use the outside measurement. So the OD, outside dimension, and it's going to be 1 inch, 5, because we're not all the way to the 6, so 1.582, 1.582, so 1 inch, 582 thousandths. Now on this gear, it'd be very hard to measure anything if you were using just a standard tape measure. So when we want to go to the inside measurement, we're going to use the inside jaw, and we will be able to get the inside measurements. And this particular one is 0.168. 0.168, 168 thousandths. So now if we're wanting to get the measurement of the gear, the width or the depth, we're going to use the step jaw. And so I want to spin this around so you can see the back side of it, and you can see that we put that so we can get the depth of this gear, and the depth is 0.496, 496 thousandths. If we were to pull the CAD model, we would probably find that it is 500 thou thick, so that would be a ½ an inch. Now if we needed to get the depth of this gear, and we couldn't use anything else to get it, we didn't have a CAD model, so we would get our depth by using the depth indicator on the bottom of the dial caliper. So that is the slide that's going to come out. We're going to be able to roll our thumb screw down until we have 2 points of contact. Then we'll be able to see that it says 0.2, 200,000, 0.2. So our dial indicator is going to be a very valuable tool that we use. It's going to make changing the internal gears on the 393 motors very fast. because you're going to be able to look inside that motor, pull a measurement off of the diameter, and 0.243 is a standard. Here's a high speed, 0.313. Then you also have your turbos. So this dial caliper is going to be very, very important while using it. It speeds up your processes and also for precise measurements. So that's our dial indicator.